Hello, my name is Dr. Steve Gandy. I'm the VP of Global Business Development for Exida. Exida is a company that offers certification services for cybersecurity, functional safety, and personnel certification, as well as end-user services for functional safety, alarm management, and cybersecurity. Coupled with that, we also have a division that deals with software to create software tools that support the certification and end-user business. Well, the solutions are that we can provide the full life cycle services to clients, and typically what that means is that we can come in and rather than just quote chapter and verse of the standards for those three, for cybersecurity, alarm management, functional safety, we tend to take a more pragmatic approach, which is we'll find out what are the sore thumbs the client has that they want to solve, and also what are their goals. So we would tailor then our solutions to meet their requirements. We're focusing very much on machine safety. Machine safety is an area that is beginning to get some further attention and traction, and unfortunately, the reason for that is because of accidents and fatalities. So we've had clients come to us because they've had major incidences. So we see that. We also see robotics and automotive increasing, of course, as well as artificial intelligence now. Because these, if you think about it, when you drive your car and put your foot on the brake, in the old days, when I started driving, you put your foot on the brake and it was hydraulic fluid that you pumped. Now, when you put your foot on the brake, it's the engine management system that decides how much pressure, how much braking you need to apply. So it's almost drive-by-wire. So if that isn't designed properly and that doesn't fail safe, then of course that can be a catastrophe at the end of the day. We have a very good brand reputation. People know us and they come to us because, number one, we are very experienced. Number two, we tend to get it right first time. And number three, we always try and act as a trusted advisor. So clients might not like what we're telling them, but we always try and guide them in that pragmatic way, as I was saying, to help them.